In this video, we'll be showing you how to specify event capacity. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, then select Edit Event from the Event Management menu. Enter the amount in the event capacity field. If you do not wish to show the figure to your customers on your event or shop pages, check the Hide Event Capacity checkbox. Then click the Update Event button. You will also then need to select which of your event products are to be included in this calculation. For example, if you are running a disco and selling tickets plus vouchers for a cheeseburger, you would only want the disco ticket to be included in the event capacity and not the vouchers. To do this, check the Include in Event Capacity checkbox for the required tickets and then click the Update Product button. If event capacity is defined, then this will automatically show the total event capacity and how many are available. Please note 2 points. Event capacity only works with single order items, i.e. where there is one available. If you add a family ticket or any other product that has multiple items, the platform does not know how many should be deducted from the event capacity. Instead, we would recommend using discounts to apply an automatic discount. Second, event capacity does not need to be set when you only have one ticket type for sale. This is because the capacity for the event is dictated by the stock quantity set for that one ticket type. And that's it. You can now successfully specify event capacity. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.